Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an API key on ElevenLabs. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to ElevenLabs.io, sign into your account. Then from here, we want to click on the Developers tab on the bottom left-hand corner of the page. Now from here, under Developers, click onto API Keys. Now from here, we want to go ahead and click on Create Key. So an API key lets you connect to our API and uses its features. You can create multiple keys with different account access levels. So from here on the right, we want to go ahead and give that a name. And then we've got an expire, so you can have never, 30 days, 15 minutes. Now we can add in some per credit refresh periods, so you can change that. And also we've got endpoints, so we got text to speech, speech to text. So if you want to enable any of this, so say I want to use text to speech, I'm just going to have that access and I don't need anything else. So I'm just going to put in no access. And then basically from here, we've got it's restricted by IP address. We can enable that if you want. And then we can also put in allow IPs. And then we've also got auto disable if leaked as well. So from there, click on create key. And then here's your API key. I am going to delete this key after this, creating this video, by the way. And then basically copy that to clipboard. And then go ahead and use your API key. So paste the API key into the application or service you're connecting to ElevenLabs, such as Python scripts, Node.js, applications, NA8 workflows, or whatever scripts you're going to be adding that to.